what it's like working at a barn. You wake up at 5:30, sometimes earlier. You eat breakfast. You head to the barn to see chickens. No, just kidding. Well, about the chicken part. You come to clean up horse pucky from a lot of stalls. There's more down there. After you get your stalls done, you dump it in the pile. Then after you do that, you hay everybody. Get back. Everybody gets different grain. Some get this. Some get this. They all get different supplements. This horse This horse gets all that. Do that. Some horses don't get as much. Just about have every horse memorized. Out of 24 horses, there's a lot to do. You're at the barn, you never get bored. Tired, yes. Bored, no. Never. You find weird things, like chickens hiding behind hay. What are you doing? Boo. They never let you catch them. Some horses you feed outside, some you have to bring inside, because they eat something different, and they can't eat what the other horses eat. So you have to bring them in and feed them inside. Some horses get soap feed. Soap feed is for horses that can't chew very well, or that don't digest properly. Hi. this noise every morning? He's beginning. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, they do with this and this. That's a turkin, a chicken turkey. What? Hey, shush, shush. You get to yell at chickens too. It's quite fun. This is always fun. Gotta stay hydrated when you're at the barn. So make sure you have a drink if you go to a barn to work. This is the stallion. You do his stall while he's eating his breakfast. He doesn't ever bother you, but he could one day. So you always have to be on the lookout when you're with him. It's pretty big. He usually makes a face, so I'm going to try to capture it. It's probably not because I have the camera out, but he might. There we go. I know him too well. He's still playing with the wheelbarrow. You done eating? Take that as a yes. Hold on. Where is the snack? There. Come on. After this horse is done, we take her back out into the pasture with the rest of it. Come on. Lovely day. The wind is crazy, so yeah, but it's nice out, the temperature-wise, but it's windy and muddy. It's also rainy, but it stopped right now, so doing all the outside stuff. Love mud. Yeah. Stay back. Yeah, splashing mud everywhere. Can't see because my hair. Look how windy. Ay, ay, ay. Hang the halters on the gate and deal with this. This is mud all over my arm. In my shirt. Also, my left boot has a hole in it, so now I have water all in it. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Nice muddy cold water in my socks. Wow, that wind. Hey there. Hey Mutt. Hi. Shoot. Now I have the stalls on one side of the barn done. Now, lunch break. Yep. At the barn, you don't care what you look like, what you smell like, nothing. You don't care what you wear, you don't wear makeup, nothing. You just don't care. Your hair's a mess. That's what barn hair don't care came from. I've got it right now. So, if you go to a barn, don't care. Don't worry about how you look, because it don't matter. You're gonna get dirty. You're gonna get mud all over yourself. You're gonna get hay in your shirt, in your boots, somehow in your pants. I've had hay in my pants. That's not comfy. No. So don't care how you look, okay? Because it does not matter. What matters is feeding all these giant, well, they're not all giant. Some are teeny. But some are giant. Like this boy here. He's huge. So just make sure you take care of them all. That's the main goal here. Not what you look like. They're finally in their chirpy stage. They got their argument out. You done protesting? Are you done? Yeah? Oh boy. One will try to attack you. I don't know which one it is. I think it's that one right there. He'll try to attack you if you turn around. He'll jump at your feet. He don't hurt you, but he scares the little kids around. There's always a barn cat. Okay. Now doing her stall, you have to watch her. She'll come knock your wheelbarrow over after you get it sky high. She'll come on, go plop, and dump it all on the ground. You gotta pick it all back up. Aren't you funny? Huh? I think you're funny that way. You just finished breakfast. So, yeah. You're already thinking about it. Well, I know how to solve it. Hay always does the trick. Some horses have a rubber mat, and the reason for that is because some horses pee a lot, as you can see. So this helps keep the pee down, the pee on the mat. Yep. Oh my God. She likes to lay in it, as obviously you can tell. Got a yellow horse in here. It's about to rain, so I have to go get the dogs before it rains. Hey there! Hi! Hi! Come on, let's go. It's nasty out. Yep, starting to rain. Come on! I can't help myself doing this. Hey, calm down, calm down. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait. You have so much energy. Come on. Come on, let's go. I gotta go find the other dog. It got dark in here. Need there we go. found him. He's by the house. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Come on, my friend. Oh. Come on. Ah. Whew. We made it. It just started pouring. We did it. Oh, we did it, Arby. Come on. Yeah. All right, come on. There you go, boys. So normally, we would have turnouts. We would bring all the horses outside into their pastures, but I don't think we're doing that today. When it rains like this, we don't turn anybody out. They all stay in and stay dry. Everybody's coming inside. All the chickens, the guineas, the dogs, everybody. Me, however, I have to get wet. Now, I finished all the stalls. Now it's time to fill up waters. So some horses have 2 buckets, some just have 1. So, yeah, I gotta fill all those up, all these up, and there's 2 big ones like that out there, out back anyway. And then there's more on the way out, like when you're leaving, you fill those up, so yeah. Now I just have to fill all these waters up and dump the nasty ones. Those aren't really nasty, they just have to be skimmed because there's like hay on it. But just take the hay off of it, like this. Take all the hay out. Now you can fill it. It's got hay in it too. Alright, we're all done with the water. Yeah, this is my hands when I'm done, and this is where it goes on my pants. All right, I just checked all the outside waters, and they're full. So now just have to rake, and that's the last thing in the barn, and then I can start leaving. So get us a rake. Cannot do this with one hand, but here we go. I am all done raking. Now we do the little things like dog food, which they have dog food, and the pheasants have food and water, so they're good. But we do turn off the lights. And we put this chain across to keep horses out if they get loose. Because if you get a horse in here and someone gets stuck for one, then it's going to eat all the food. So you don't want that to happen. So you put this there so they don't go in. And then we are done. Just gotta dump this. So everybody's fed. watered, been hayed twice. Outside horses have been fed and watered. And they have hay outside already, big round bales. And I've raked, fed the chickens, the guineas, the dogs, the cat. Took care of the dogs. There's a lot less stuff to do when it's raining, so that's a plus for the rain. But when it's not raining, I'm not done yet. There's a lot more things to do. So I might actually make a video of it when it's like hot out and no rain. There's a lot more to do that day. So yep, I've swept these as well. Grooming stalls. Now, hopefully it's not raining as bad now. I can make it to my car. They left to bring a horse somewhere for someone to try him out. Someone wants to buy him, so I'm here by myself today. Oh, wrong side. Wrong side. Alright, so yeah, this is what a horse girl's car looks like. So I switched out my boots, and this is your socks and your legs when you're done. You get boot marks on your good pants, and you get everything on your socks. So, what a mess. So you switch shoes. I don't like driving in these. Look at all the hay down in there. I'm bringing some hay home from the horse. So, yep. Then, alright. Start my car. Alright. So, now we can head home. But there's one more water bucket I have to check, and that's in the driveway on the way out. So, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I parked in a different spot today, so I wasn't in the way of her horse trailer. So, just gonna do that. Off we go. Yep. So this is what I have to drive through every day. Look at all this mess. This is a mess. Oh, it gets worse too. But they're fixing the driveway, so it's not all mud anymore like it used to be. So, yeah. See, if I was to turn out horses, there's 4 pastures this way that I could put them in. There's 4 on this side, and there's 2 over here. 2 really big ones. One is for the boys, which I don't see. Oh, they're behind us. They're in the rearview mirror way back there. There's 4 little colts. Not little, but one's little, but the others are, I think, 2 or 3 years old. So, I have to walk down this way. Sometimes I'm walking 2 horses, like 2 ponies at once. So here's the buckets I check. Let me slow down. Oh, it's full. It's full, yay! I don't have to stand out in the rain and fill it up. I can just head home. Oh, that's so great. But yeah, there's pastures all the way down. Like, the 4th one, we're not even there yet. I'm driving and we're not even there yet. But see, this is why we didn't turn out today, because it's like, it's all flooded and she doesn't want the horses getting all wet, muddy, hurting themselves. This is really slippery mud, so she really don't want them out. So, this is a really long driveway. It used to be really bad. There was a lot of potholes, but they're working on fixing it, so it's a lot better. It doesn't take 5 minutes to get all the way to the end anymore. So, yep. I don't know if I'm gonna stop at Taco Bell or not today. I don't know. I'm not really that hungry. I had my lunch lunch break earlier. It was like two granola bars. I bring like a few of them with me. Snack on them when I'm hungry, but I'm not really that hungry today. So, that is my day at the barn when it's raining. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and see y'all next time. Bye!